Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find rare land in Atlas Earth. Finding rare land in Atlas Earth isn't really something you unlock or manually search for. It's mostly down to chance when you buy new parcels. When you tap the option to purchase land, usually costing around 100 Atlas bucks per plot, the game randomly assigns a rarity to that parcel, which can be common, rare, epic, or legendary. The odds are typically around 50% for common, 30% for rare, 15% for epic, and 5% for legendary. So rare land sits right in the middle as a fairly lucky but still realistic outcome. Each time you buy land, the system rolls to those probabilities, meaning every parcel is basically a new lottery ticket for rarity. There's no hidden trick or secret location that guarantees rare land. It's purely RNG, so even buying in high traffic areas won't change the odds. That said, some players try buying in clusters or saving up for multiple purchases to increase their chances of hitting better rarities in bulk. But it still comes down to luck at the end of the day. So if you get a rare or epic, that's just the game smiling at you a little. If not, well, the algorithm is just doing what algorithms do and keeping things emotionally balanced. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.